Welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to create Tunic Blouse McCall 7467. Right here, this is the complete finished look. So I'm going to talk you step by step. We need pieces number 1, also piece number 2, piece number 3, piece number 4, piece number 5, and last but not least, piece number 8. So the first thing we're going to do is add the side pieces to the front of the tunic. I'm going to add both side pieces, the left and the right, and I'm going to use a serger to put this tunic together. So there you see the front and the side pieces laid out. So this is what the finished look looks like. The side pieces have been added. So now we're going to move on to the next step. Now I'm going to sew the tunic at the shoulders. This is the right side of the tunic, and we're going to serge at the shoulders, and this is the left side of the tunic. So this is what the finished sewed piece looked like. Again, this was serged, and this is what it looks like finished on the shoulders. So now I'm going to add the sleeves. I like to add my sleeves to my blouses before I sew down the sides. So this is what the finished look looks like. The sleeves have been added. I also sewed a serge down the side of the tunic. I also serged the ends of the sleeve to give it a finished look. So this is what the tunic looks like so far. Again, I am serging the entire project. So next up, we're going to attach piece 4, the front piece, to the back piece, piece number 5. We're going to attach them to the side. We're going to attach them right at the side. So I'm going to sew these two pieces together. This is the front and the back. So now that we've attached the front to the back, added elastic to the side so it can have a scrunchy look. Now we're going to attach it to the shirt. Now I'm going to add this to the tunic blouse. And this is what the finished blouse looks like. The cowl neck has been added to the tunic blouse. It is now complete, all serged up. This is the finished look. Thank you. Please like and subscribe. Thank you.